Today I will show you how to use the pump.fun comment bot. This bot automatically posts comments on the pump.fun website. Here you will need to choose the nicknames and comments that you want to use. We will use them with 1 million Solana addresses from our database and assign the nicknames you select to them. I will copy the nicknames and comments and add them to the site to start the bot. In the mode setting, you will need to choose where the comments should be posted, on a specific token or on all newly launched tokens. I will select a specific token to run a test. I will enter the token address in the appropriate section. As you can see, on the right side you will see all the messages that are posted as soon as the bot starts. The last post was 3 hours ago. I will select to post 100 comments, then I will click Start. Once the bot has started, you can see that the comments are being posted on the pump.fun website. There will be a slight delay in displaying them because the server is very busy, but the bot works correctly and without errors. All the posts I added will be posted on the pump.fun website. These will not be marked as spam because we have over 1 million generated Solana accounts, and for each comment, we use different accounts. I will stop the bot now and we will test commenting on all launched tokens. This means that any token launched on pump.fun will automatically receive a comment with my message. I will use the same custom comments and nicknames, but they can be changed anytime with others. After I click Start, I will randomly select a few newly launched tokens so you can see the comments added automatically. Considering that many tokens are being launched, not all of them will be displayed on the site, but the server is running and posting comments on all launched tokens. Here you can see that my message has been posted, and all launched tokens receive my comments. You can put anything, even websites, in the comments, but do not include HTTPS or www. As you can see, my comment is confirmed and posted without errors. Even the nickname is the one I added in the nicknames. Let me select another token now, also randomly. Let me select another token now, also randomly. I will select a token that was launched just a few seconds ago. The bot posts comments approximately 2 seconds after launch. It also bypasses the CAPTCHA. This token was launched 8 seconds ago, and my bot intercepted it and made a post. You can see the comment I posted on pump.fun. I will choose another token. No newly launched token escapes my comments. We have so many Solana accounts that I can post so many comments that it is impossible to be banned by pump.fun. With this bot, you can promote your website, but you are responsible for how you use it. Everything is decentralized, and we do not store logs in the database. Please do not use offensive language or write abusive words, as it is not ethical. This bot is free. If in the future we add a fee, it will be very small, a maximum of 0.1 Solana for 1,000 comments. As we get more users, we will add more accounts. Every day, we generate new accounts to use them only once. You can see that is launching a new token, just launched 11 seconds ago. You can see that as soon as the token launches, it receives my comment. It may be deleted after a few hours, but we can choose to post again and again on new tokens. We guarantee the message will be active for at least 2 hours. The project is still in its early stages and is free, but after a while, it will be paid. 1 Solana for 10,000 comments. Take advantage while you don't have to pay anything yet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will create new tools for Solana, and they will be posted on the channel.